Okay, most times I don't really get in the water. I just be down here trying to look cute. But, oh, it's not that bad. It ain't, ooh, yeah, no. Hey, y'all, so it's our first beach day as a family. And we're going to go and enjoy a nice sunny day in South Florida. Stay tuned. Papa, are you ready to go to the beach? Huh, babe? Big Papa, not little Papa.
I'm ready.
Papa Dex, are you ready to go to the beach? Yes? Yes, Papa Dex? What do you say after you eat your breakfast?
Yeah.
Yes.
Rocking the sunglasses.
Yeah.
Already. So we are here at the beach. It is our first family beach day.
Yeah.
Can you say yes?
Yeah.
Look at that water, guys. This is what it is to live in Florida.
Hello, hello.
There's my two men. Yo, kids are really scary. Kai is not crying. He is just in amazement. Like all this back water for me.
My body.
He's trying to eat this man. What's your review of the beach, Papa Dex? Huh? You like it? Does your papa like the beach?
You like the beach, son? You want to go back in? Huh?